Well, viewers, while the Supreme Court has wrapped the Bengal police for not providing accurate timeline in the Kolkata horror probe, a massive protest is taking place in Kolkata against the alleged inaction by the TMC. The top Bengal BJP leaders can be seen leading the protest. My colleagues Sabyasachi and Tapas are joining us on the broadcast. Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, are we seeing action on ground? Several of these leaders also being taken into custody. Take us through what's happening there.
Well, absolutely. See, now the BJP leaders have called for a protest and called for a Shastro Bhavan Gherao. Now there has been several layers of barricading which was done by the Kolkata police, but the BJP leaders, be it Arjun Singh, Agnamitra Paul, Sukanta Majumdar, all of them were present and they have breached the barricades which has been put by Kolkata police. I request my camera person just to pan around and show you the visuals. You can see now the BJP workers along with the leaders are marching towards the Shastro Bhavan, which they had called for the Gherao of Shastro Bhavan, calling that every single misconduct that is taking place in RG Kar is because of the Shastro Bhavan, which had completely turned blind eye towards the irregularities that is taking place in the healthcare sector here in West Bengal. Now the BJP had called for several protests across the state. Today they had called for a protest march towards the Shastro Bhavan, calling they would gherao the Shastro Bhavan and demand that the corrupt officers who are there in Shastro Bhavan should be removed as soon as possible by the state government. Now the BJP also had called for a Navarno Gherao Obhijan, which the date will be decided by the BJP leaders. Now the BJP is holding continuous protests across the city. In fact, they had reached out to the High Court because the Calcutta High Court had finally gave the BJP permission to hold continuous protest in the city from 21st to 25th.
খুনি মমতা স্বৈরাচারী ধর্ষকদের নেত্রী খুনি মমতা দফা এক দাবি এক স্বৈরাচারী নিপাত যাক খুনি মমতা হায় ধর্ষকদের নেত্রীকে
So you're seeing live visuals on your screens. Let's go across to my colleague Tapas as well, joining us on the broadcast.